In the past few years, how has your body physically changed, Meredith?
My body has physically changed in terms of weight, height, and my female body parts. My weight has definitely increased. In the last few years, I've gained about 20 pounds. When I was 11, I weighed about 100 pounds. And now as a 16-year-old, I weigh about 120 pounds. My height has also increased. When I was 11, I was still under 5 feet. Today, I'm 5.5 feet. So I've grown at least 5 inches. My female body parts have developed significantly. When I was 11, I had no breasts and had not had my first period yet. I finally received my first period when I was 12 and a half, and now I wear a size 34B bra.
How do you feel about these changes?
Well, in the first few years of puberty, I was definitely embarrassed by these changes. I did not want to appear to be developing faster or more than my friends. I also felt overwhelmingly insecure about my period when I first received it, but now I understand that everyone goes through this and it's just a natural course of life.
Do you express your sexuality, and if so, how?
I'd say yes, I express my sexuality. I like to wear form-fitting clothing to accentuate my physique. I also like to wear makeup to highlight my natural beauty. I also enjoy talking to and hanging out with boys. I've never really done anything beyond kissing a boy, but part of me wonders what I might like to go beyond kissing someday.
Do you feel that your race influences the relations you have with others?
I definitely don't think that my race influences the relationships I have with others. I'm friends with people of various racial backgrounds. I really enjoy just getting to know people who are different than me.
What issues do you think can result from race differences and similarities?
Some issues that can result from race differences and similarities are the formation of cliques and the development of narrow-mindedness.
Do you feel that your gender influences the relationships you have with others?
I definitely think my gender influences the relationships I have with others. Although I'm a girl, I tend to not like hanging out with a lot of girls a lot of the time. I guess I'm not a super girly girl, and I don't like gossip, which I feel is more prevalent amongst girls than boys. However, when I do hang out with boys, they sometimes treat me differently than how they would treat their guy friends, which honestly I don't mind. I don't like to be treated like a bro, but I'm for sure a lady. And just because I don't love hanging out with girls and prefer to hang out with an evenly mixed crowd of boys and girls, doesn't mean I'd like to be treated like a bro.
What issues do you think can result from gender differences and similarities?
Some issues that can result from gender differences and similarities are internalization of issues and the development of anxiety disorders and bullying.
Thank you, Meredith.
Thanks, Mom.